Hi, welcome to Sharpening Protips, a short and direct guide on the specific things you need to know about knife sharpening. What sharpening equipment should you get? Cheap stuff like this $3 stone is great because you're not wasting a lot of money, but the downside is they sharpen slowly and you don't get the best results, so it's harder to learn sharpening this way. Cheap stuff can work great if you're good at it, but it'll be harder to learn using the cheap stuff. Expensive is good because they're very high quality. These sharpened glass stones sharpen very fast and they get your knives amazingly sharp, but they're overkill. I don't recommend them unless you are sharpening expensive knives. These ones are like hunting with a bazooka for most people. I don't really own anything in the middle because I'm an extremist, but for middle options I recommend Shapton Kuromaki, Kingstones, or Spyderco Ceramic. Links in the description. They're middle price and high enough quality so it's great for beginners to learn with, and still excellent for when you are proficient. Please subscribe so you can see other videos about sharpening. I'll discuss more in details about the pros and cons about individual sharpening gear and pro tips for sharpening.